Welcome back to Panahon Ko To. Okay, teams. First team to reach 70 points maglalaro sa ating jackpot round. Remember, nasa panahon nyo ang sagot. So teams, good luck sa inyo. For our first question, let's roll it. 2,000.
Panahon ko yan! Panahon ko to!
And bueno mano.
Wow.
First question pa lang ay isang extra hot. Audio extra hot. This is worth 20 points. JB. Sinong JB ang umawit nito? Play audio.
You're beautiful.
Green Archers.
James Blunt.
That is correct. Let's hear it.
You're beautiful.
Yun yung paatras ng video niya, di ba?
Beautiful.
Ito pa rin ba kanta mo sa akin? Hindi, listen to You're Beautiful, James Blunt. Ito pa rin kanta mo sa akin. Okay, next question. Let's roll it. 80s.
Panahon ko yan! Panahon ko yan!
Okay, 80s. SPJ. Sa commercials, sinong SPJ ang may classic line na hindi lang pang pamilya, pang esports pa? Red Warriors.
Sunny Padilla Jr.
Correct! Yun ang commercial ng family rubbing alcohol. Siya yung nag-referee sa Thrilla in Manila between Muhammad Ali and Joe Frazier noong 1975 and father of Miss Shasha Padilla. That's right.
Okay.
Hindi lang pang pamilya, pang esports pa. Let's roll it. 60s.
Panahon ko yan! Panahon ko yan!
E. Sa mga uri ng paninda, anong E ang meaning ng letter X sa term na PX goods? Red Warriors.
Exchange.
Exchange is correct again. Dahil ang PX ay post-exchange, isang store na US military base selling goods to military personnel and their families as well to some authorized civilians. Inspired,
Inspired.
Post-exchange. Okay, let's roll it. 90s.
Panahon ko yan! Panahon ko yan!
Uy! Extra hot. This is a video extra hot worth 20 points. May pupuntahan ba si Tito Mel? C. Anong C ang pamagat ng pelikulang ito? Play video.
Hi.
Red Warriors.
Casper.
Sandali ha. Nakakailang sagot na si James eh. James, bakit parang bibong-bibo ka ngayong umaga? Dahil ba sa isang taong dinadalaw at sinasamahan ka dito? Ito ba yung nandito sa likod? Isang napakaganda at galing na host? Ayan naman. Supportive! Yes. Hello, Jed. Welcome to Panahon Ko To. Casper is your answer, and Casper it will be. It is correct! Let's watch it. 1995 starring Bill Pullman and Christina Ricci based on the Casper the Friendly Ghost cartoons. Diba naging classmate mo? Yes, si Christina Ricci. Okay, that's right. Next question, let's roll it.
Ayan!
2000. Nagsusuntukan na doon. Teka, tama Ross. Meron ba kayong mga issues sa inyong tatang na gusto niyo muna i-resolve bago kayo maglaro? Okay kayo? Okay, good. Okay, 2000s. T. Sa Pinoy business, anong T ang popular short name ng shopping mall na Triangle north of Manila? Red Warriors.
Trinoma.
Trinoma is correct. Na nagbukas noong 2007. Okay, recap lang tayo. Tama Raus, medyo nahuhuli tayo. 0 points pa tayo. Anem Lasal, you have 20 points. Red Warriors, isang extra hot question away mula sa ating jackpot round. Pag nakachamba kayo na extra hot ang susunod at nakuha nyo, kayo maglalaro sa ating jackpot round. Good luck, our 3 teams. Let's roll it! 80s.
Panahon ko yan!
Uy! Yan! Kailangan nyo to. Tama Raus, kailangan nyo to. Extra hot. Audio extra hot worth 20 points. WC. Anong WC ang may hit song na ito? Play audio. Red Warriors.
Wang Chung.
Wang Chung is correct! Let's hear it. Ang narinig niyo, siyempre, everybody have fun tonight. 1986.
Green Archers, mabuhay kayo. Thank
Animo
you so
Lasal.
much. Tamaraos, thank you so much for playing. Sana maayos na yung problema niyo sa isa't isa. Red Warriors, samahan niyo kami niluluboy dito.
Come on, guys.
Ayan,
Good job.
Congratulations, Red
Dito na tayo.
Warriors.
Ayan.
Ayan,
Ayan,
yan
sige na
ang
camaraderie.
diba?
Oh, sportsmanship attack. Basta
Camera
bigyan mo
natin
yan lahat.
dito.
Sige, bro. Harap tayo dito.
Alright, congratulations. You're one step away from winning 100,000, of course.
At syempre, ang ating Sinong Sikat round, susunod na yan dito sa Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng buhay ko.
Mas sumasarap ang kwento sa